everybody, Sarah Eggleston with Stone Egg Realty at John L. Scott, and I am back with another little update on our home. It has been a little bit since I checked in. We did move in February, spent a few nights in mid-February, and then really moved in full time at the end of February. And we have done a lot of fun renovation projects since then. I know I've checked in at least a couple times since then, but we have these beautiful porch lights up. It's daytime, so can't see them too well, but these really add such beautiful ambiance at night. I really love this space at night, and I'm so excited now that the weather's warming up and we'll get to spend a little more time outside. And there's just been a lot going on. So 2 days ago, we got some new screen doors. Screen door here and screens on the windows, the exterior windows. There was one window that had a screen other than the windows on the sunroom, which our contractor put in. So we had a guy come out and measure and make all these screens custom to our home so that they fit just perfectly. I've tried to make window screens before and it didn't necessarily go very well, so I do recommend hiring a professional on that one. But we have really got more furniture in here. It's starting to really feel like a home, getting things put away. And I'm just really pleased with how everything turned out. We're still getting items for the home. This one's gonna be a return because it's not the right coloring. But we have our workout room that's moved to our bonus room in here, which is our original plan. Have this be kind of a workout room, video game room, lounge sort of area, and music area. But we got some furniture in here. Got all that stuff in the corner is either tools or things that need to be put away. So we need to bring a couple more pieces of furniture over that we currently have, but the vast majority of our belongings are here. And out in the sunroom, it is looking very green out here, much to my delight. Chris hung this plant hanger up there the other day. I think that's an awesome addition. I've had my breakfast in this chair a couple mornings, just looking out at the view. And the clouds are just stunning today. And we have our cat corner set up. I have some of my books that I'm reading and notes for books I'm listening to. We have all this. Our backyard looks so lush with all the neighbors' greenery and our tree back here. But we've got a couple paintings on the walls. These are actually my paintings. We haven't dug through a lot of our artwork yet, so we'll see what we keep where eventually. But for now, we knew where a lot of the artwork that I had made during quarantine was, like the sunflower. So we're sticking with that for the time being until we have time to go through the rest of our pictures. But we are getting pretty close to done. I'm trying to think if there's, I'll show you this as well. Bathroom, we did get in over the toilet storage thing here, so I can hide my toothbrushes and glasses and things behind there. Other than that, I think that Everything in here is pretty much the same. And my office, I finally have my filing cabinet. However, it doesn't have any wires to hang files on. So most of this stuff here is going into the filing cabinet that is over here. And I got some awesome light clips so I can pin some thank you cards and things, motivational things up there. Have my computer set up, or my second monitor set up so I can use it above my computer. I just really love the setup of my office now. And all this will get organized once the papers get into the filing cabinet. Oh, I think that's it for now on the inside. I'll show you a little outside, since last time it wasn't nearly as green as it is now. So we have our yard. So things are looking green, and there's lots of trees in pots. My husband is loving having the extra space for all his trees. But look at that. Look at that sky. Beautiful. Well, I will check in again next week. I know there's a few more things we want to do this coming week, so I'm trying to save a few things for the next video, but I will check in soon, so make sure to stay tuned.